How to fix no internet secured in Windows 11? First step, restart your Wi-Fi router. Turn off your router or unplug it. Plug it back or turn it on. Wait 5 minutes until all the lights are stable. Check your internet connection again. If it's not working means move on with next step. Forget or reconnect to the Wi-Fi network. Click settings. Click network and internet settings. Click Wi-Fi settings. Click manage known network. Click it and click forget. Once clicking after, return to Wi-Fi list and select and enter your Wi-Fi password. Come back and return to your Wi-Fi and you can click it and enter your password. Then move on with next step. Reset the network using command prompt. Search for CMD. Right click, click run as administrator and type the following text: ipconfig space slash release. Click enter. The next command ipconfig space slash renew. Click enter. And the next command ipconfig space slash flush DNS. Click enter. And the next command netsh space winsock space reset. Click enter. And the next command netsh space int space ip space reset. Click enter. At last exit it. After the last and final step, click settings. Click network and internet settings. Click advanced network settings. Click network reset and click reset now. Thank you.